from Nature Effects, and I'm gonna be doing 2 videos. First, I'm going to read my sight words. See, look, to my refrigerator with all of these stuff. So let's go. After me.
What grade sight words are this though?
3rd. I'm almost in 4th grade. Sight words.
Nice,
I'm
but
in 1st grade.
oh, nice. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, beginning, country, example, important, might, winner, story, thought, under.
Could you do it once again?
Huh?
Could you do it once again, please?
Like these underpants.
Can you do it once again, please?
Huh?
Not that part.
Okay.
Sight words.
Beginning, country, example, important, might, river, story, thought, under. Like your underpants, like these.
No, Mihai, don't show that. Don't show that. Okay, say thank you, guys.
Thank you guys. Wait.